Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Since we have put the roof up, we only had one rainy day and tropical storms as you saw from our last video. I'm trying to prepare all the timber floor, big job, but had progressed quite well despite being by myself at the moment. Yes, at last we received the thickness planner. So please stay with us and enjoy. Okay, another day built. I'm going to continue finishing the floor timber for the porch. And this morning, 8 a.m., I'm expecting a carpenter. So I will give you an interview. It's not very cheap, but the one we had, it was sort of a cheap, I think, but it was useless. So let's have a look. I think it'll come out about 8 a.m. hopefully, if he shows up. And maybe I'll employ him. Yeah, probably have to. A little bit dearer than normal, but that's probably the only way maybe to keep workers and to get workers along. We need to get this house finished really quick. So yeah. I know for a fact that I don't have enough of this timber here, 3x2, to do all the walls support. I'll probably use them for the internal wall between the bedrooms and the lounge here. But I'm gonna have to buy those metal stud and use metal stud. I think it'll be easier, quicker, it's all straight. Just use a rivet gun and that's it. So that's what I decided I'm going to do. And also once I finish the porch floor, I can purchase all my hardy flags and store them there. And that's it. It's all good. I'm still waiting for the carpenter. Just wait. I think he'll come. Okay, I just put those one on position just to give you a bit of an idea what the entrance is going to look like, but I may have to put a lacquer on top Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. This is gonna be a rough floor for the porch. Don't need to put, you know, making Mickey Mouse just like that. So I can't wait. I do all the bits and pieces there for the yeah, I can't wait. I do all those timber for the porch. There's some already done here. I've done that yesterday. I think I need 31 of those in total. Anyway, I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, more than halfway. Okay, it's good. So that's what I've been doing today. I've been cutting some more of those and polish them and solignum. Let's keep going. It's getting hot. Okay, I just got some news that there's been some problem with transportation for the carpenter to come and talk to me, so that's okay. When transportation is fixed, and we'll see him. And it's fine because all I'm doing here now is preparing the timber. It's a bit of a mess, so they give me a few more days, and that's fine. I wouldn't want a slope like this. It's terrible. They're gonna have to concrete that. It's with the rain. I know the car will be able to go up there, but anyway, that's their business. Okay, I finished all the timber for the porch entrance, and I say I'm going to install it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait for a new carpenter. I got 2 options for next week, so I got to wait for them till there's more there. So it's all almost ready. I just need to make two more of those for the end there. That's all. Otherwise it's all finished. So let's wait maybe for the carpenter, see if he's got something to say, and then we got this ready to install. I'm now preparing the timber, which I'll be using this wood. For the bedrooms and probably the bathroom at the end there. So I got already quite a fair bit cut out here. There's the one you see, and then there's more at the back. So probably half done. So I need to cut the other half. So this floor will be just about ready as well. You just have to treat the timber, that's all, before we install it. Alright, so this is how far we go at this stage. Okay, I just finished 75% of the floor for the bedrooms with this kind of timber. It will be in 2 sections, and at the back is the bathroom, so that will be a different floor. So I'm happy with that. I'm probably going home now. It's getting so hot, so I just need probably 5 or 6 more of those long ones, and that's it. Oh, probably less than that, maybe 4 long one, and I can add to this what I've got already, and that will be enough to do the floor for the 2 bedrooms. The man lounge, we're gonna get, as I said, the timber which is up there under the shed. And that's a pretty good timber, very strong. That's where there's going to be a lot of traffic. This is pretty good. This is good timber. Anyway, I think enough for today. Tomorrow off. Okay, the baby's been delivered. Fujima, it's very heavy. Okay, I'll have a look at it later on. How I'm gonna carry this thing so heavy. Fujima. It's probably Chinese, but okay, let's open up. Okay, so here's the thickness planner just out of the box. It's got 2 doors, front and rear. Inside there, it's got 2 rollers and blades in between. So 2 feeding rollers and a blade in between, and then you got these to set the height up and down. And I got the instruction. How to replace the blade, how to install the machine, so it's all pretty good. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so anyway, we'll try that when the timber's ready. Not quite, I still have to cut quite a fair bit. And then we'll take it to the house. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye.